Are you tired of being broke as a student? Good. Because in 2025, there's no excuse. I'm about to show you 5 side hustles that students are using right now to cover their rent, food, and even build savings, all while studying. And stick around because number 1 is the fastest way to start. You could literally begin tonight. Number 5, freelance microjobs. Most students think freelancing means being an expert designer or coder. Not true. On platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, students are earning money doing super simple gigs, designing social media posts with Canva, editing TikTok or YouTube videos, writing quick product descriptions, or even translating short texts. The best part? You don't need professional experience. You just need to package yourself well. I've seen students earn 50 to 200 euros a month with just a couple of clients, working a few hours per week. This side hustle teaches you how to sell your skills, and it can grow into something much bigger later. Number 4, selling digital notes and templates. This is passive income, meaning you create something once and it sells again and again. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Notion marketplaces let you upload things like your study notes, clean study guides, Notion templates for productivity, even simple planners. Here's an example. One student uploaded their biology notes on Etsy for 5 euros. They sold over 400 copies. That's 2,000 euros from notes they already had. And if you're good at Notion, a sleek study planner template can go viral on TikTok, and suddenly hundreds of people are buying it. This hustle is great if you want money rolling in even while you're sleeping. Number 3, tutoring. If you're good at math, languages, or even a skill like Photoshop or guitar, you can teach it online. Platforms like Preply, Superprof, and Wiseant connect you with students who need help. The pay is solid. Language tutors often earn 10 to 20 euros per hour. Subject tutors can charge even more, especially in math or science. And if you're just helping someone practice conversation in English, you can still get paid. Parents love hiring other students because they're relatable and usually cheaper than professional tutors. I know someone who teaches French conversation online for just 5 hours a week, and they make around 300 euros a month. Number 2, content creation. Now wait, before you roll your eyes, I don't mean becoming a famous influencer. I'm talking about UGC. User-generated content. Here's how it works. Brands want short, authentic TikToks or Reels for their products, and they're willing to pay regular students to make them. You don't need to be famous, you just need to look real and relatable. On top of that, your own content can grow too. Small creators with just 1,000 followers often get free products. At 10 or 20,000 followers, you can start earning real money, hundreds per month. This side hustle is scalable. It can start with one free product and grow into brand deals, or even your own income stream. And number 1, delivery and gig apps. This one's simple, but it works. Apps like Uber Eats, Bolt, or local delivery services let you earn cash fast. No special skills needed, just a bike or scooter and a few hours of your time. The flexibility is what makes it perfect for students. You can work 2 hours after class or just weekends. In a busy city, you can make 10 to 15 euros per hour. Do that for just 6 hours a week, and you're looking at about 250 euros per month. That's enough to cover food, your phone bill, or even start saving. Plus, it doubles as a workout. So there you have it, 5 side hustles that actually work for students in 2025. If you want quick money, try delivery apps. If you want passive income, sell your notes or templates. And if you want something scalable, content creation is the way to go. But don't just watch this and do nothing. Pick one hustle and try it this week. Even a small start is better than staying broke. All the platforms I mentioned are linked in the description. And don't miss the next video. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you there.